Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Now I'm here at Sun Motors BMW on the Carlisle Pike in Mechanicsburg, PA. And today we're taking a look at this funky electric SUV. This is a BMW iX M50i. Whoa, okay buddy. Just did my review of the i4 right there. That was a fantastic car. And now I'm going to compare that to this thing. This thing is funky and weird, but we're going to take it out for a drive. This thing does have 520 horsepower, so not too bad at all. I'm gonna hit the start button, just listen to the noise. All right, here we go. Okay, I am off in the BMW iX, and now I can already completely feel the difference between this car and the i4, and obviously they are very different. This is a bigger family SUV, and that was more of a sports car, the performance version, but this is so quiet and comfortable. These seats are fantastic. I'm still getting used to this steering wheel, which is definitely different shaped. Now when I get off the gas, the regen is way more aggressive. I think you can change that in the settings, but it's just so different. I mean, I'm going down to 10 miles an hour to nothing, just like that. Now the visibility is great out of here. I love this big huge screen in front of me. It just works. I mean, I know everybody's doing the big screens. I get it. You know, the Mustang just came out and people were bitching about, oh, the screen is too big. It's too big. It's not going to look good in the future, but this just works. I mean, now I can hear the noise. This one doesn't have as aggressive noise as the i4 did, but again, they're completely different cars. I just drove that like half an hour ago. It's just fresh in my mind. Now this doesn't even have the driving modes that the i4 has. Now this is a 105 kilowatt hour battery. This has 520 horsepower, and it'll go 0 to 60 I think about 4.5 seconds, which is not bad. So if I just give it a little stab, that's still quick. Holy crap. Yeah, that's nice. Now I said in the other video, this SUV is BMW's first all-electric SUV, and they are definitely going bold with the styling. And I'm not going to say it's ugly, but it's not the best looking thing I've ever seen. But I would definitely pick this over a Tesla Model X. I drove one of them. It was nice to drive. The Falcon doors are gimmicky, but this is just different. Now, this car has, you can see the sunroof behind me. If you hit this button right there, it completely blocks the sun out because there's no shade at all. If I hit that button, now you can see some shade out there. It's just weird. I like that. I almost wish there was one more setting to let a little bit more light in. But yeah, this is definitely interesting. Oh, that regen is so aggressive. I would have to definitely get used to that. Now this is the M40 version, and there is an M60, and this car has 520 horsepower. That car has 600 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, I think it goes 0 to 60 in the low threes. I mean, a big SUV like this, but this will still have decent performance. Now, this is not an M50. It's just the 50 X-Drive 50. It's not tuned by M at all. Now, that i4 had tuned suspension and bigger brakes, a little bit, I guess, different tuning. I almost hit that trash can right there, but this is definitely aiming for the family SUV market for BMW. And I said it before, I'm glad they're going a little bit controversial with the styling. It's just weird. It's weird, but I like it. I'm not put off by it at all because this interior is really, really fantastic. Getting used to the steering wheel, very nice to drive it, and it is so quiet. You definitely don't have the sound that the other one had, but I would definitely, I'm not going to change it, but this regen is so aggressive that it's like anytime I let off the gas to go around a corner, it's really just messing with me. I'm going to do a launch up here on my GemmyD Pass, and now this is not going to handle like anything special, but this definitely feels light on its feet. The steering is nice and heavy, which I like, and here comes a straight. Oh my gosh. I mean, both of these cars are definitely putting a smile on my face. All right, so I'm going to switch to POV view, and we're going to do a little launch. All right, we're coming up to the GemmyD Pass. Hold on, I'm going to like make sure let this car go in front of me. There's a nice look at the gauges right there. All right, I'm going to stop. Okay, BMW iX launch in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, yes, that is fast. Definitely not as much as a gut punch as the i4, but definitely seriously fast. And I can't get over this regen braking. It is so aggressive, but I like this a lot. This is nice to drive. Now
Please
this...
try once again or say help.
What? No. Leave me alone. Now...
This function is only available when you are logged in with a BMW
Okay,
license.
shut up. Shut up. Go away. Okay, so just rolling on the gas. Oh my gosh. Now, I said many times before, I can't really think of a rival to this car other than a Tesla Model X. And I'm pretty sure that the prices are similar. I would buy this car over Tesla Model X for sure. It's definitely something that is like wanting my affection. I like the interior. It's very simple and elegant in here. There's lots of space for your family because this is definitely a family SUV. But I mean, this car is $91,000. That is a lot of money. And there's a Polestar. There's a rival to my other car that I just drove. But yeah, let's just keep going through the air quotes gears in the iX. Now, I'm just going to go into normal mode. We'll give it another launch up here.
This function is only... I'm sorry, I didn't understand you again.
What? I didn't say anything. Leave me alone. Yeah, go away. I feel like when I'm saying the brand of this car, where it starts with a B, the assistant is coming up. But yeah, this is a compelling SUV. I'm sort of falling in love with it. It's definitely got some quirks and features, as my main man Doug DeMuro says, that are interesting. But I'm kind of smitten. It's almost like I don't really want to hammer on it and just be an absolute hoonigan. It's just I'm looking to make a comfortable drive here in the iX, and it's definitely comfortable. I mean, it is very quiet. And visibility is decent all throughout. I love this huge panoramic sunroof. That is really nice. But yeah, this is a solid offering from BMW as their first all-electric SUV. Now, we know that the future of vehicles is going towards being more electric, and I am not opposed to that because I'm looking to get an electric car for my wife's next vehicle. But this is a solid SUV. BMW iX. Now, what's to say? Now, we have lots of features. We have safety features too. There's lane keep assist, and this car will actually drive itself. I'm not going to do a video on that because I feel like it's not too exciting. It's just very cool technology. The cameras are decent. The styling is interesting. I'll say it's not a classically beautiful SUV, but I like what BMW is doing with their interiors. Now, this is a really fantastic interior. I wouldn't change a thing. I like this sort of tunnel in the middle here that has all the space down below for your cup holders. But yeah, I'm liking the steering wheel more and more as I get along with it. I love the flat bottom. I've always been a fan of the flat bottom steering wheels. But I'm just going on a nice gentlemanly cruise in the iX. Then we're going to give them one more little punch after this bridge. Here we go. Yeah, you can sort of start to hear the wind noise as you approach the faster speeds, which I cannot confirm nor deny how fast I was going. But yeah, this is seriously comfortable. These seats are amazing. The quality in here is very nice. Definitely quiet. So let's go back to the dealer and wrap this up. All right, just got back to the dealer on my second review of the day of another BMW electric car, and this is the iX xDrive 50. 520 horsepower is definitely quick and definitely comfortable. Now, if you can get over the styling or you're a big fan of the way that this thing looks, I think this would be a better option than a Tesla Model X. The build quality on those is just not as nice as this for sure, and this is just funky and weird, but I like it. I like what BMW is doing right here. It has enough of character to make it a compelling choice as a family SUV. Now, if you were interested in an SUV like this, don't forget to check out my buddies here at Sun Motors BMW on the Carlisle Pike. I will put their link right here and in the description below. If you like my videos, I have lots of other car reviews that you can take a look at. Lots of electric cars I've done recently. Plus lots of cool stuff too. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for my videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GemmyD on Cars. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. See ya.